I'm Mallory.
Hi, Angel Goose.
I thought you everyone. I am Mallory Cruz.
So, Angel.
Cruz.
And today we're gonna make what?
Cheese wontons.
Yay! Are you ready?
The lady.
First, kitchen roll. Make sure to wash your hands properly. Your workstation should be clean. Ta-da! 3. Get your hair out of the way. It's time to get our ingredients. It's easy. Just wrap the wonton wrapper around the cheese any way you like. Make sure there are no holes, okay? No, please. Don't. I want to make up my perfect It doesn't look so good. Pillow. Yay. Chickadee. Chickadee. Okay. I put a lot of mark this time. I should cover it up with a bit of cheese. And someday Naruto will become a Hokage of a fish.
What kind of Hokage?
Because it's very funny. That's all.
He'll just be a funny Hokage, huh?
You know, like Raya. Have anyone watching this? No, also watch kind of like Naruto?
Maybe.
Or something just like Naruto, but not really Naruto. Leave the comments. There. Yup. Eat that for your mommy's face. I rolled it a bit.
You didn't have to, but gee, thanks. It's like playing with what we're about to eat, right? Okay, you're almost done. Just a little bit more.
Easy. Oh, I thought it was mine.
She's mine.
Okay, Tita is showing her work.
Wow. Someday the
Oh, the pretty ones are by Tita. Well, the silly ones are by us. What did we do?
I wanna be silly.
Tita Angel's so good at cooking.
And I'm so good at making pillows. I'm so good at making pillows. That's all.
It's okay. It's okay.
Pillow. Why you worried, mommy? Why you worried, mommy? Why you worried, mommy?
What's our last rule, guys?
To clean up.
Okay, good job. Yeah, clean up our mess.
Clean up. Everybody, let's clean up. Clean up. Put your things away. Time to fry. Make sure you get an adult to help you. This will be yummy.
What is our most special rule after you cook? You have to share it
Share it with
the
the
ones you
ones
love. Take a bite. Take a bite. Sit up.
Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, comment below, ring the bell.